Asus ZenBook 17 Fold in 2023. Hey everyone, hope you guys are fine and doing well. So, here I am back with another video. In this video, I am going to share an Asus ZenBook 17 Fold. Subscribe to Guide Zoo for daily tech videos. Asus ZenBook 17 is a little prettier thanks to some leather panels and a bit of lovely frosted glass around back. ZenBook 17 Fold is still lighter than a lot of similarly sized traditional laptop. ASUS touts a peak brightness of 500 nits for HDR content. The real highlight of the 2560x1920 OLED panel is all the bright colors and deep blacks. I know OLED screens are becoming more popular on premium systems. ZenBook features a nifty set of cameras which include a 5MP main shooter and some IR sensors. The ZenBook 17 Fold is pretty well-rounded with an Intel Core i7 1250U CPU, 16 GB of RAM, and 1 TB of storage. Furthermore, while the keyboard has a USB-C port for charging and excellent battery life upwards of 12 hours, ZenBook 17 Fold fared better than I expected. On our local video rundown test, it lasted 14 hours and 9 minutes in desktop mode and an even better 15:26 in laptop mode. That's a good mark for any portable PC, and as long as you're not overloading the processor, the ZenBook's battery holds up during everyday use as well. ZenBook 17 Fold is an admirable first attempt and improves on the category as a whole. It still has a few regressions that leave it feeling more like a polished take on a slightly dated design than a true rival to Lenovo's next-gen foldable.